I say yes, and I love you. Thank you again. Thank you very much. I just make it louder already because I'm just alone here. So, thank you for the plus. Thank you for the subscriber. Thank you for all of them. Kahit pa paano, meron pa rin. Oh, di pa ako tapos. Dami pa akong iaayos dito sa kwarto ng alaga ko. Okay, so kailangan ko munang kakain. Pagkatapos, gagawin ko yung kwarto ni Amo. Bago matapos yung bago si Sisi darating total Thursday naman. Happy weekends and happy weekends to all of us. O, diba? Okay. Tuning. I make it very, very happy. You know why? Even I make it apply. I don't know if it's accepted already, the verification, but I don't think so. The important that I'm making already to fill up already in the application to apply, but I don't think so the verification. And I just trust I just watch that one muna for the YT founder, workers, mga staff, how they assess that one. Basta I'm just stop first because maybe I get a mistake how to do it, or I don't think so. The important for me and why I make it happy because I gain already the working hours. The watch hours, working hours, the working hours, the watch hours, and my subscribers. So that is the most important for me. So continue lang, and just continue until I can what's that now of my second step of my journey. Okay, so maybe someday somehow I know that there is a changes, more development of this channel, but not now because of my work and my time talaga is very complicated. Not complicated of what mga bad or mga negative, no. What I mean, because I exist only, I'm just always using to, I have a limit. Of course I have a limit because my work is the priority to do it. So someday somehow, and I can, when I'm still alive and I will still continue for my journey, so there is a changes, and that the most important. I'm just already tada 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 tada. Thank you to the some blogger that you are still helping to me from the beginning until I have 1 subscriber, 1 viewers, and 1 to support in my channel until now. That what I have. Wherever you are, whatever you do, you are updated of your individual channel or not, at least that you are part of my journey in this channel of mine. Kaya thank you, and some blogger that you are already in the middle and to the highest already standard in your channel. Good luck, and you must to be take care of that because you are spending too much effort that of what you are now, what is standing of your channel that you have in the different categories of in the social media. So us that we are from the beginning, start and just continue go, and that's what I'm thinking, and that's what I do. So at least I have already my first step. Thank you talaga, thank you. Even my videos is not too much clear, even my videos is Sometimes it's repeating. Even my life is like this one and like that one. The important that it's my own doing. It's my own videos. Kaya thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you to all of them. And also, of course, to my my employer, because just imagine free Wi-Fi, o diba? And thank you for sharing their goodness and their blessings, and good luck to the dreams or the work and the whatever of my madam, their families and their friends, and share also their family and their friends. And God knows everything. God provide everything for one of us that we are still living in this earth. Not only to those people that I make it mention, to the family of my both side, my mother and father, sa angkan to angkan, sa hometown ko, and you know who you are and who we are. And Brad, and to my only one out all now, I have only one brother, only they live. Because my younger brother is long time pass away with my parents. So, take care and good luck, Brad, for good luck, Otol. Kung ano yung mga plano mo, sa mga anak mo, sa mga in-laws ko, sister-in-laws, sa mga nieces, and mga apo-apo, mga relatives and cousins. Mga co-workers, mga co-vlogger, co-vlogger daw. My friends, mga kumare and kumpare, mga co-workers from the beginning, mga childhood and mga batchmate, mga kumare and kumpare, everything who knows who I am, even social media, even through social media in the YT, that we are already connected in this social media only. Thank you very much talaga, again and again and again. It's very high na yung ano ko. Okay, so before I end, to all people in this world, not only for me, not only to those that I mentioned, only all that we are not the same in the nationalities, and we are different countries. So God bless us all, more blessings. God provide everything. Just continue and go. Bye. Love you all. Thank you, Sisi. That is my alaga and my partner dito sa YouTube and everything. To all of my nieces and my loved ones. Bye.